Hi, Mike here from hfaero.wordpress.com, and we're looking today at GQRX running on Linux, Ubuntu, and how to set up a bookmark and a tag or category for that bookmark. That's a question I've had recently from a couple of Twitter fans, so let's get straight into it. So we have, for example, a new assignment that we want, or a new frequency assignment that we want to bookmark on 11.285 kilohertz, and I know that this is a Southeast Asia air route frequency. So on the menu icons at the top is this one with a little bookmark, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Simply put the bookmark name that you want to call it. In my case it's a Southeast Asia, and it's in area 1. And although I've got some already set up, to add a new tag, perhaps if you have no tag set up at all, is click on create new tag and just enter a name or category of your choosing. Oops, new Mwara, and click OK. So that's, in its simplest form, is how to add a bookmark. But the grey indicates that the tag is uncategorized, is not coloured, perhaps to your choosing. So if we go to view and view bookmarks, on the right hand side we should now at the bottom have a new Mwara category. Simply double click on the grey, and then you can assign a custom colour, go through the palette, slider tools to create the range of colours. Select the colour, and there it is assigned, and as soon as we click out of the bookmarks, there's our colour coded category. And that's as simple as it is, except that we can bypass the last sort of exercise simply by creating our new bookmark. A new bookmark, create a new tag, and this time we can just double click on the colour here, select that and click OK, and that's all done. And it's really simple, but it is such a powerful tool that when signals start to appear in the waterfall, you can just look straight up against the dotted line and have a reasonably good idea as to where the signal is originating from. And the other feature that I like about the bookmarks is that if you click on the label itself, it will tune exactly to it, rather than have to go sort of guess where that is. Okay, we tune directly. I've got 100 Hz tuning rates. If you're just off slightly, then the signal will be off slightly. So just click on the label and it'll retune to exactly what you've entered in the bookmark. And that really is it, and it's so cool. I just love this on GQRX, and it's what sold me to the product, and I've built my entire system around GQRX. I've installed Wine in order to run PC HFDL, which is a Windows program, and also multi-PSK in order to decode cell call codes. So yep, it's been a really neat system, and I'm so happy with it that I started blogging what I hear, so you can catch me again on hfaero.wordpress.com. Thanks for watching.